Before diving deeper, let's try some quick fixes. First, ensure your Tesla app is updated to the newest version, 5.1.2 or later, on iOS or Android. Then check your internet connection. Wi-Fi is preferable over cellular. Finally, visit tesla.com/status to see if Tesla servers are experiencing outages. If the servers are down, there may not be anything you can do except wait. A forgotten password is a frequent cause of login trouble. Go to tesla.com/account and click Forgot Password. Make sure you create a strong, unique password you don't use anywhere else. If you're still unable to log in, consider clearing the app's cache and data. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Tesla account, but it can sometimes cause login issues. Let's go through the common problems and how to fix them. First, if your 2FA code isn't arriving via SMS or email, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes legitimate messages get filtered there. Next, make sure the time on your device is set correctly. Authenticator apps rely on precise timing for generating codes. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, try regenerating your backup codes. This can resolve synchronization issues. As a last resort, attempt switching to email-based 2FA if possible through Tesla's account recovery tool. This provides an alternative method for verification. Tesla may temporarily lock your account after multiple failed login attempts as a security measure to prevent unauthorized access. An account lockout occurs when Tesla detects suspicious activity, such as 5 or more failed login attempts, within a short period. This is what the login screen looks like, where users enter their credentials. Typically, this lockout lasts between 1 to 24 hours, giving time for the system to reset and verify security. To resolve it, wait out the lockout period, then try logging in again with the correct credentials. If the lockout persists or you're unsure, contact Tesla support directly for assistance. They can help unlock your account manually. Note, in recent months, Tesla has seen an increase in lockouts due to enhanced security measures and occasional server issues. Most resolve within hours, but escalated cases may take 2 to 3 days. Sometimes, network issues can prevent the Tesla app from connecting properly. Try connecting via a VPN to bypass potential network restrictions. This can resolve login loops caused by network blocks. Clearing your DNS cache may also help. This can fix persistent login loops caused by network misconfigurations. Use systematic network troubleshooting steps such as checking hardware and running diagnostic commands. If issues persist, contact your ISP or network provider for further assistance. If you've exhausted all other options, it's time to contact Tesla support. You can do this through the app or via phone. Be prepared to provide your account details and vehicle VIN for verification. Tesla's AI-powered chatbot might be able to assist with basic queries, but for complex issues, you may need to speak with a human representative. To prevent future login issues, start by using a password manager to securely store your Tesla app credentials. This helps avoid forgetting passwords and reduces the risk of weak or reused passwords. Next, enable biometric login features like Face ID on iOS or fingerprint on Android. This provides faster access to your Tesla app while maintaining security through your device's built-in authentication. Finally, regularly monitor your account activity logs within the Tesla app or on the Tesla website. This allows you to spot and report any suspicious login attempts early, helping to prevent unauthorized access and potential lockouts. By taking these proactive steps, a password manager, biometric login, and regular account monitoring, you can significantly reduce the risk of future login issues and enjoy seamless access to your Tesla app.